Hi, it's Joan. This week, I'd like to look at some of the bad luck that can just happen at the bridge table. It's not really through anybody's fault, but often who plays a hand has a huge result. It changes the lead and it makes an entirely different result happen. And I was watching some of the national championships this week, and this hand came along. And so I'll show you the good luck side of this hand, and then we'll look at the bad luck side of it. So at the table I was watching, this is a nice hand, open one club, and partner North made a negative double. That shows full spades. East bid three hearts over partner's overcall of one heart. And so this hand's got a void in hearts and it went straight to four spades. That's a natural thing to do. And East decided to double. So you might think, what's going on here? And looking at the hand, partner's got four spades, as we knew. We've got a void, luckily. We're missing the ace, king, queen of diamonds, and we've got beautiful clubs. Well, the lead was the king of hearts, which was the suit that they overcalled. So here it's worked really well for us because on that king of hearts lead, we throw away a losing diamond. And now we play a spade to the ace, then the king of spades. And now there's one spade out. Actually, it was lucky that the spades broke three too. East, one of them, we think it's East because they doubled. They'll have the queen of spades, but don't play it. Just play a club to our ace and another club to the king. So the clubs, there's only one club out, the jack. So play the queen and discard and allow East to trump with their winning queen. So they now switch to a diamond and they take another diamond and they try and take a third diamond, but we can trump. And now we keep playing our winning clubs. And we make 10 tricks. This is what happened at the table that I watched, and the team that has just won the Nationals, this was a very good hand for them. So the score was 590. We also want to take a lot of notice of scores. When they doubled us, when we got to four spades, we weren't vulnerable, but we made our score. We got a doubled score on top of the game score that we would have made. So 590 is a nice score. Now, I was surprised because I looked at the results of all the states, and nearly every time people had failed in this hand. And then I realised that actually it was when North was declarer and they played four spades, the person on lead is this East hand. And East has a very easy lead. And they would lead the ace of diamonds and the king of diamonds and then the queen of diamonds. So we would lose three diamond tricks and later we would lose a spade trick because even if we tried to play the jack of spades, this hand would cover with the queen and then the king would win and the ace, but our 9 or 10 would come good. So we would actually take three diamond tricks and a spade, and we would beat the hand, and so that would give East-West a score. That was just luck as to who played the hand. And in fact, at this table that I watched, if West hadn't been so aggressive with the overcall, and I think it's a little too aggressive on a hand like that, especially when you're vulnerable, to call one heart. If they'd passed, it would have gone one club, one spade. And even though north-south might reach four spades, east is going to be on lead, and east will probably double the contract and take it down. So, sometimes there's a lot of luck in just who gets to declare the hand. And you would think that the same person would declare every time, but with different bidding systems and people deciding to do things, it's often a different declarer. So this was a great score for the side who won the whole event. Have a great week.